Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make the same length photo or video using CapCut. So, at first, open your CapCut app. Select your new project, select your photos, and then add them. Now, what you have to do is click on the first photo and drag this end pointer pick it and drag it. As you can see, it's increasing to 4 seconds. You can increase it to the length you want to. I'm keeping it to 6 seconds, and now I will pick the second one and click on the pointer and make it to 6 seconds. Now as you can see, both has made it to 6 seconds, and now it has become to more 6 seconds. It's added more time to your video. You can now add here your audio and then export it. I'm not adding any audio today, so I will now export it simply. Well, it's exporting. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye.